evening. Like I told you, I ran and came. I had to change the floors. So from second floor, I came to the third floor. I ran and came just for you. Yeah, I know it's 6:31, just a minute late. However, did we watch the ad right now? Did we watch it? Samajh aayega to maza aayega, right? Isn't it fun? Yes, yes, I can see my students here as well. There is Harish, there is Brij Mohan Sahi, there is Alfia. I can see all of you. Hi guys, hi, very good evening. So today's session we're going to read a little bit about, not read, let's learn a little bit about coal and petroleum, because there are students who are in younger classes as well. In this session, I'm going to keep the session a bit towards the basic. Okay? Will that do? And whatever questions you have, you can please post it in the comment section. I will definitely take a look at the comment section and get back to you. Okay? Meeting after 1 minute. Yes, yes. You will see me again. Oh, you are in 10th standard. So then in that case, whatever doubts you have, please post it in the comment section. I'll make sure that I can answer them. Okay? Alright, so let's go forward with coal and petroleum. So you see in every day of your life, you see these many things around you, right? You see trains, you see flights, you see cars, you see bikes, everything. Are they living beings? They're not living beings. So, okay, for us living beings, our fuel is food. बिरयानी देख लिया खा लिया, पिज्जा देख लिया खा लिया, बर्गर देख लिया खा लिया, correct? So we keep eating, so that's our fuel. We have fuel and fuel provides us energy to work. How are these things running? These things are running because there is also something that provides them energy. So what provides them energy? Which we learned that coal and petroleum, as I have told you, that's the topic's name. So yeah, the topic's name suggests coal and petroleum. So you know that the fuel that is provided to these steam engines or flights or cars or bikes or everything, it's this thing, petroleum or coal. Okay. Now coal is not very regularly used these days in the trains, which yeah, in the previous era of course it was used, but today you will find diesel engines of trains or the electricity is provided to the train, and that's how they run, right? Now coming to resources. Okay, so coal and petroleum, do you know that they are natural resources? You do know, right? You all are all smart students, so yes, I'm pretty sure that you all know that these are natural resources, right? Now natural resources are of two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Okay? Hi. I can see that my students are here. Namaskar. Yes. Yeah, I am a bit sweating, like I told you. It's almost exercise here. I'm absolutely fine, guys. I hope you all are liking it too. If you're liking it, do give me a like here in the video and let know your friends that they all should come and join this as well. Getting back to renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Okay? So renewable resources are what? Renewable resources are those resources which are non-exhaustible. Like you can use them as much as you want. They will not get exhausted. What are those? Solar energy, wind energy, right? These are the things which are non-exhaustible. And talking about non-renewable resources, non-renewable natural resources are fossils, petroleum, coal. All these are also natural resources but non-renewable, that there might be a time when these things are over, right? Which is why सरकार भी कहती रहती है ना आपसे कि सोलर एनर्जी यूज कर लो, सोलर कार यूज कर लो, हम आपको हेल्प कर देंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि पेट्रोल कम हो रहा है धीरे धीरे, और एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब हम सब साइकिल पे चलेंगे. ठीक है? That will be also fun. Okay, so now let's move forward and let's take a look at how coal formation takes place. Okay? See, what happens in the olden days, 300 million years ago, there was swamp. The whole earth was probably covered with forest. And then what happened? Swamps, right? They started decaying. So huge forests were there around like 300 million years ago. They were decomposing. The vegetation died. Once the vegetation died, they started forming peat. Okay, they started forming peat. Now the peat was formed. After the peat was formed, the peat was compressed. A lot of pressure was applied on the peat Not us. We did not provide the pressure. The pressure just so happened by the soil, by the atmosphere, by the gravity, all the pressure that you have around has pressurized the peat, and then what happened? That between the sediment layers, like in the soil layers, the pressure was provided to them and they formed lignite. Okay, lignite is a type of coal. Okay. Then what happened? After lignite, little more pressure was given to the coal. Little more pressure was given to the coal, and then what happened? They formed bituminous or sub-bituminous coal. Okay? And then after that also a lot more pressure was provided by the soil layers because it went down, right? More the soil layer, more pressure will be applied to them. They formed anthracite. Okay. Now just take a look at this part. Lignite is actually known as the poorest type of coal. They have only 38% carbon. Okay. Bituminous and sub-bituminous have only 65% of carbon. They are also not very high grade coal, but okay enough. काम चल जाता है, ठीक है? Anthracite is known as the highest grade of coal and it has 90% carbon. Okay, this is again the same thing. Timeline. This is just a more colorful image of this. Yes, Orion buddy, I have actually told you about. See here, peat, lignite, bituminous, sub-bituminous and anthracite. All the 4 types of coal I have covered. ठीक है? Hi Indira, I'm sorry, I did say namaskar. ठीक है? I have taken your name. Sorry, Orion. Okay, you are Kaustubh. All right. Let's move forward. Now there are some things coal has again. Once you go on coal, there are 3 things that you can get. What are those? Coke from coal, correct? And then coal also has inflammable gas.
ये भी कर रहा है? हाँ?
थोड़ा से नाटक कर ली। वैसे मैं देख लिया, तू कहाँ पे दिखा रहा है?
ये भी कर रहा है? अभी उसमें 41 व्यूज दिखा रहा है। बस सही है।
कमेंट
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? दिखा, तेरे में यही फोटो दिखा रहा है, उसमें ये है। हार्डले, अब हार्डले नाम रख लिया।